So now let's see how we can use custom fonts inside of Filmora. So to do that, first of all, you need to download a font, and in my case, I have already logged into 1001fonts.com where you can find free fonts to use out. So here are some different fonts, as you can see, which you can search out. But in my case, let's say I want to use the Presses regular font right here. So I'm just going to hit the download button to download that font, and you can see that it has been downloaded right here. So what you can simply do is you have to install this on your system. So just double click on it and click on install. So the name of the font that we downloaded is Precious. So I'm just going to close this out right here, close this out as well and close it. And now we are back to Filmora. So I'm going to go around over here onto title. And if I were to bring in the credits, let's see if the font is there. So now I'm just going to go around and double click, and over here the name of the font is Precious right here, but you don't actually see it here because we haven't restarted the Filmora software yet. So what we need to do first is restart the software in order to actually use that out. So I'm just going to close the software right here, and I want to save the project right here. So I'm just going to save it on my Wondershare project folder itself. So I'm just going to hit save, and the project is saved. So now I'm going to open out the same project again. I'm going to reopen the software, and now let's see if we can use the Presses font that we just installed. So it's loading the software, as you can see. And now you can see that the software has loaded. So I'm just going to go around and open up this software right here. So now you can see that the text is still there. So I'm just going to choose around the Precious font. And now you can see that it is visible. And as I press it, you see the font right there. So you can go around and type with this font. So I am going to type with this font just like this. And what happens is that I can go around and work around with this font now. So I can simply select it out and I can increase the font size right here. And that is how it looks. And that is how you can use custom fonts inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.